Hello everyone, my name is Sumbo. Welcome to Knowing Me in 90 Seconds. To me, fashion is more of a statement, yeah. And my phrase is never be caught looking unfresh. So every day I walk into the office, I'm walking in with confidence. I'm walking in with a statement saying I am here to get the job done. My long years of career, I would say learning, but also unlearn and relearn. You can never know it all, so you have to learn. Like they say, you never stop learning. You stop learning, you're dead. So on the job, you need to learn, you need to unlearn, and you need to relearn. I know how to resonate with people, regardless of your status. I walk into a room, like I said, when I walk into a room, I intend to bring steeze, composure, confidence. So yeah, there's no way you can't miss it. Yeah, and it says, never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. In life, we have so many opportunities, and the question you ask yourself is, what if it doesn't work out? What if it goes wrong? What if I fail? But the other side to it is, what if it goes right? What if it works out? What if I succeed? So never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Hello everyone, my name is Sumbo, and this is Getting to Know Me in 90 Seconds. Watch out for the next episode.